Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C71, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will extend the list of visible toggles right here, and then find the power saving mode. For me, it is located on the second page, or right over here, as you can see, labeled power saving mode. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. Takes a moment to turn it on, and it turns on dark mode and does a couple other things in the background which aren't specified. So that's how you enable your power saving mode. Now when you're done using it, you can just find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.